Going guys, Brian back here with we're just covering Bitcoin dominance for this video, okay? This thing is breaking down, all right? If it loses that 52 level right here, this major support area, let's open this up a little bit, this chart. We zoom in here, right down, let's move it exact, all right? Because it has wick down through here. You know, if it loses 52%, this is going to send us market on a massive altcoin run. All right, if we zoom out on a weekly, let me get some of these off here, clean this chart up. That's some targets up here. All right, let's get rid of that. Okay, now if you go back through here on a monthly, every time Bitcoin dominance has majorly tanked is when we've had our alt seasons. All right, this is January of 2021. That was the bull run, and that thing totally dropped. I mean, it just sank out of sight. All right, back here in 2017, yeah, of course we had our massive bull run in 2017. Look at this drop. Unbelievable. Just fired right down there. Okay. And every time Bitcoin dominance drops, you know, the altcoins run every single time this thing collapses. So, you know, it doesn't have to be a major collapse. I mean, this thing went from 47 roughly down to 38. That was June of 2022. That was last summer. You know, we had a nice little altcoin run right there. Now you got this thing breaking this support line going up through here. All right, let's put this on here exactly. That's what I'm on. Every time you change it, like if you change it to a weekly, monthly, it'll all change. Okay, daily, hourly. You got your support level changing. So let's make this a 1. Let's get this exactly where it's supposed to be. All right, that looks pretty close to me. Let's see here. Let's bring it down. Oops. And start right where, if you zoom up through here, that would be a support right there. That's about perfect. All right. You can see right here. Okay, you got your touches right here, here, up through here, wick down. You know, all through here it was a support area, and now you can see that it broke that. All right, this is huge, guys. It's a lot bigger deal than you think. Believe me. If you're familiar with crypto, you know that when Bitcoin drops, that's when we run. So if it loses this 52 level, all right, it's probably coming down here to 48. All right, and if it drops that, then it's got a pretty decent ways to head down here. All right, if we look at the RSIs, the weekly is still coming down. You got your monthly right at the very top, 92 and 91. Okay, so that's huge. Your monthly is just about to flip majorly bearish. Your weekly is still coming down. Your daily is just about at the bottom here. All right, which is probably going to bounce back up and retest that area as resistance and then roll over. All right, that's probably exactly what's going to happen. Happens a lot of times with cryptos. You know, you got to retest and then it will roll back over. It'll come down here like this, come back up, retest, and then roll back over. All right, so we could have a big run coming up, guys. Looking good. Bitcoin itself looks like it's about ready to break out of a pennant pattern. Okay, which Bitcoin can still go up in price and Bitcoin dominance drop. That's nothing unusual. All right, let me show you this pennant. We go on a 4-hour chart here. Look at this thing building up. You know, Bitcoin is right inside this pennant pattern, just building momentum. All right, you got your 4-hour RSI reset at the bottom. All right, pointing upwards. You got the 8-hour. Still correcting on the 8-hour, the 20 and the 36. The 12's trying to turn back up. Look at it, stochastic. Look at it trying to turn back up here. All right, and then you got your daily, of course, still heading up. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so very, very much. Have a Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope everybody's has a happy holiday. No matter if you're alone, guys, or with a group of people, you know, it's just about being thankful for everything God's given you, and just being thankful for being alive. You know, really, when you look at the world the way it is today, just waking up in the morning and having a life that with your family and friends is truly fulfilling. So, all right, thanks a lot. Have a great day, everybody, and I'll talk to you soon.